What is poppin', family? Good morning, good morning. It is what? 8:30. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready. I'm putting on that go get the money outfit. You know what I'm saying? Which is every outfit.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights.
Another week, right? It's all about showing proof out here, but even though I really don't have to prove myself, but you guys should know by this point, this was made yesterday. So actually it's not 2000. It's $3 away from $2.13 away, okay? So $2.13 away from 2000 yesterday. So yeah, that being said, we're just gonna run it up as usual today. Maybe we'll go a little bit above, maybe like 22, 23. I'm not gonna go super duper hard today because I don't need to, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're gonna run it up. A lot of my boys, like my close people, like my boy who he gets $400 days and $300 days on a regular. A lot of them don't want me to give out these secrets, and that's how I helped a few of my boys. Everybody swears it's just an area thing, but majority of people in our area don't even hit these numbers at all. So, we are a selected few of people, but we just use the app differently. We do things differently, right? So our numbers are different than everybody else's. Now, here's the thing. I'm not giving it out to more than 1,000 people. So, alright, so I lost my train of thought because there was an important phone call that I had to answer. Business call. Anyways, I think I was talking about, TapVar's secret tips and strategies. Alright, so guys, I'm not playing when I say this. It's a game changer. Now, honestly, this is what I want to say, because I'm not dropping it right now. But what I want to say is this. Look, I want everybody who, watches this channel and supports me in a positive way. I want y'all to win. I want all the haters to go hide under a rock. My secret tips and strategies, man, like this is not just like, wake it up early type stuff. This is why I went through like 4 phones. I can show you all the phones. I went through like different technical things. We tried out, then, the intro messages, the outro messages. I'm giving away everything. But look, check this out. There's 3,000 people in my area alone in the DMV. There's 3,000 shoppers. How I know? Because one of the in-store managers looked me up and said, hey, you are the #1 shopper in the area. And now those numbers fluctuate because I'm not going as hard anymore because I'm making these videos for you guys. So I'm quite sure I'm not #1 anymore, but I'm probably like top 5, top 3, top 5. But at any given time, listen, for y'all that's watching this out here, for the top 5, the top 3, the top 10, whatever, y'all know, if I feel like being #1 again, I'll snatch that spot. But nah, it's fun. It's all fun and games, guys. We're very competitive out here. And even in other states, I got some boys in other states that's crushing it. But anyways, that's not what we on right now. What we on is the TapVar secrets. So check this out. A lot of my boys didn't want me to give it to you. They don't want me to give it to you. But that's why I say, you know what? I'm just gonna put a cap on it because there's 3,000 shoppers in the DMV alone, and I'm putting a cap on it for 1,000 people. Listen, I'm not joking. When I say this. There's a lot of gurus out there who come out with stuff and they're like, oh, the door's closing and all blah, 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 blah. Listen, I'm not playing. Look, at the end of the day, I don't want every shopper in the world knowing what I know. I don't want every shopper to know what I know. So I'm putting 1,000 person limit on it. That's it. We're doing this and we're closing it at 1,000 people. I'm not joking. That's on everything I love. 1,000 people. That's it. It doesn't matter where you are. I'm gonna give away the intro messages, the outro messages, like deeper in why my tips get go from 50% higher. Then on top of that, the phones. Oh my God, which is so important. Like the technical side of your phone, like what you need to do. I'm gonna give it all away. Why I see batches and get batches, you know, even if it's a split second before the person next to me, but that split second is a swipe, as you guys all know that do Instacart. So I'm not dropping that just yet. I'm still putting it together because we want to make it perfect. I want to make sure I touch up on everything, me and the team, and then we're going to drop it. My boy's like, don't give away everything. Don't give away everything. I'm like, yo, look, if it's love, they support, they're going to get everything. But it's only going to be 1,000 people that get everything. So if 1,000 new shoppers here in the DMV get it, hey, they can get it. If 1,000 people around the world can get it, hey, they can get it. But it's going to be 1,000 people. That is it. But that being said, I'm not going to talk your ears off. Let's go get to the action. Let's go make that 2K plus, because I can't believe I'm $2 short. But anyways, to all the gurus out there that know it all and swear they the GOATs and swear they got, you know, they the best with Instacart, yo, you already know what it is. Show those numbers, stop playing, cause y'all see mines. Let's get it. Yo, fam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry. I'm guilty. I'm guilty. Look. You know what I'm guilty of? Crushing it. So 3 batches later, and this is what we're sitting at right now. All right. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do for y'all right now. I gotta give y'all some action. I gotta let y'all know how we do this. So, all right, a little quick tip real fast. I'm gonna give y'all a little tip right now for this video, you know what I mean? This is something, this is a VAR tip. This is a secret VAR tip too. One of the reasons why I, you know, get better batches than a lot of people around me is because look at how fast I look. You see how fast, I can see what's going on, believe it or not. You guys probably just see me going up and down. I'm trying to get a little closer. That's all you guys probably see, me going up and down like that, but I can see what's going on, believe it or not. There's a few pros out here that know exactly what I'm talking about, and they know how to do this. A lot of people scroll like this. This is how a lot of people look. They go up, they go down, they refresh, they go up, they go down, they refresh. There are some pros out here that go like this, you know what I mean? Like, and I'm one of them. And we just know how to do this without missing a batch. If I'm refreshing 10 times, I'm just using any random number here. If I'm refreshing 10 times in 1 minute and the guy 2 cars down from me is refreshing 4 times or 5 times or 6 times in one, or even 8 times or even 9 times in 1 minute, I have that one more chance of a refresh to swipe something or to get something or to see something before he sees it. Hence the reason why I do this fast. All right, so that's just a quick tip. So you guys can get the hang of this, I suggest you refresh this fast. All right. All right, fam. So I just swiped the 70. Yep, that's the name of the game.
Yeah. You must.
What's poppin', family? Tavar back with another one. Y'all already know, man. Let's get that money. Look, hey, I'm starting super late today. It's 10:30 a.m. and I'm about to do my first batch. That's for several reasons. I'm working overtime for the fam, right? I'm putting together something called Tavar's Instacart Secrets. It's about to be crazy. It's about to be on fire. Be ready for that. But anyways, today I just swiped a $51 BJ's. I've never even shopped this BJ's before in my life, so this should be interesting, right? So I'm on my way there now. I'm 20 minutes. It was 20 minutes away. I got about 15 more minutes left. The other day was crazy. You know, I put Bella through it. Bella looked out for me. She always has my back, no matter what I need. She's always there for me. So we're gonna bless Bella this video. Look, whoever's a part of the fam, we got each other's back. I take care of the fam. We take care of the fam. We take care of the fam. All right, and Bella is always there for me. She's always looking out for me. So we're gonna bless Bella. We're gonna give her a couple racks today, a couple $1,000 today, just for helping me with that one batch. So this will probably be the biggest batch earning in history. Bella's about to receive it today. She doesn't even know. For that one batch, she's gonna make a couple $1,000. Just to let you know it's real, we're not playing. We're not playing. Here at the LLC, we don't play around. You see what I'm saying? We got some more envelopes in here. We're gonna bless her up. And for everybody else that's watching the video, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, become notified, and be a part of the team, because I will look out for my fam. Whoever looks out for me, I'm gonna look out for y'all, all right? So that being said, let's head to the store, but it is a 51 and it is my first batch, so let's go crush it. All right, this was lightware. It may look crazy.
I can tell you about yourself too.
Huh?
Next time take your carts back outside.
Huh?
Next time take your carts back outside.
Oh.
It's all the cleaner behind people now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I should have though.
No, because we used to go in and go figure it anyway.
It may look crazy, but it was kind of easy. Banged it out. Took me about 20 minutes. Cause I've never been here, but that's all good. We're gonna load this up, deliver it, and on to the next one. Let's get it. I gotta change this cheesecake though, cause it fell over. Dang. All right, we got the new strawberry shortcake. Looking beautiful. Cannot deliver no beat up strawberry shortcake. That's how customers will hurt you. Never mind leave a bad rating, they will hurt you. That batch was exactly what I was talking about, what I don't take. I blind swiped it. It was 18 miles. It was literally 21 minutes in one direction. Then it was 26 minutes back in the other direction. Usually I would not take those types of batches because I could have literally done 2 or 3 batches for the amount of time it took to finish that. But it's cool. We're already back in our area. I swiped a 44. I'm gonna knock this out. It's only 28 items. But I called Bella. Guys, check this out. And she actually has an appointment in the next like 45 minutes. She thinks she's gonna help me, but really, I'm literally gonna give her $2,000 for helping me with one batch last night. Cause I know she wanted to eat, and I know she wanted to kill me. So I gotta make it up to her. We're gonna give her $2,000 for that batch. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new, because we're gonna have fun and we're gonna make money. And I'm gonna show y'all how to make some money too. So yeah, you already know what it is. I'll see you in a second. Peace. I'm doing another order right now in one of my favorite stores. I'm active right now. I'm almost done completing it. I called Bella. I told her to come in because I need her help. But really, we're gonna take care of Bella because she always helps me. So when she comes in, she's gonna think she's coming in here to help me. Hey, Bella, I need you to record this real quick, all right? I need you to record me because, all right, so fam, you know what we're doing. All right, let's go over here really fast, really fast. So Bell Pepper, look, I know, look, I know you think you helping me, ready? But how'd you feel last night when I made you come with me? Be honest. When we were supposed to eat this.
Annoyed as crap.
Annoyed as crap, right? But look, you always got my back. You always got my back, so I got your back. You ready? Don't get robbed right now. Don't get robbed right now.
Yo.
All right?
Yo, y'all need you.
Don't get robbed. All right, so we're out of here. Go ahead, have fun, do your thing, enjoy the day. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Yeah, but anyways, so guys. Huh? Yeah, bro. Yeah, what's going on? It's Tatvar. Tatvar.
Tatvar?
Tatvar. Like Tat.
Tatvar.
Yeah, bro. Go check it out. Yeah, huh?
What video you doing?
Right now, man, I just show people how to make money. Pretty much, yeah. That's what.
I usually be watching these.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, go check it out.
I want to be in one of them.
Hey, check it out. What's your name, bro? Alex. You want to be in it? Hey, yo, this is Alex right here, right? He just met me. He said what I'm doing. He see me filming. Yo, now you in it, Alex. All right,
Tatvar?
Yeah, Tatvar. Tatvar, brother. We had to bless up Bell Pepper real quick, so I made her come in here. She actually had an appointment to go to, and I asked her to come in here to help me real quick. I said, Bella, I really need your help before you go. Please, I really need your help. And she literally came here before she had to go to her appointment. That shows you why I take care of people like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So, you guys all know I started late today. Around 10 something, right? And you just see me bless up on Bell Pepper, right? And Karma just loves you. I told you, send that good energy out there. Just wiped the 74. What was it? 18 items, Costco, 74. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Bounce back VAR. That's what they call me, King Bounce Back out here. Cause I always bounce back. Let's get it. I'm telling you, once you learn the tricks, you're unstoppable. Let's get it. The moral of the story today is not even how much we made today. The moral of the story today is we take care of the fam. That could be any one of y'all I look out for. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned. Cause if look, you never know what VAR gonna do. You never know what VAR gonna do, yo. Hey, it's peace and love. You already know what it is. I'm out. To the next one. We out. Peace.